Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking video lesson. Today, we will be discussing division of polynomials using the synthetic division naman. Okay? And I know some of you have already played the game Among Us. So, we will be using that idea para mas enjoy kayo sa pag-aaral natin ng ating lesson for today at mas matuto kayo lalo. Okay? So, stick back and let us enjoy learning together. Come on! Ayan. So, bigyan muna natin ng brief introduction how we play the Among Us. Yung iba kasi syempre hindi pa nakakapaglaro, no? Syempre, ang ating main goal here is to finish our task. Kagaya ng ating gagawin sa pag-aaralan natin ngayon, we will finish all the tasks para mas matuto tayo. Pero dapat, matatapos mo yung task na to na hindi ka na huhuli ng imposter kasi may gagawin siya sa'yo na which I will no longer tell kung ano yun kasi medyo that's too violent already. And then, na hindi ka rin makikick out dun ng mga crewmates mo. Okay? So, come on, let's finish all the tasks and let's play. Ayan. So, come on, let's play. So, before we proceed with our game, pwede muna tayong mag-review. Pwede nyo i-click tong review to. Ayan. And then, we will go with the review of our previous lesson, which is the long division method. Pero kung okay na naman kayo sa lesson na yan, you may click here. Ayan. And you will go back to our home screen. Pero, syempre ngayon, kung okay na kayo with that method. Pero ngayon, syempre, mag-review muna tayo with our long division. So, let's click here. Ayan, we have to divide x cubed minus 9x minus 3x squared plus 14 by x plus 3 using the long division method. Okay? Of course, kailangan iayos muna natin from the highest exponent down to the constant. So, we have x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 14. Nasa loob siya ng division symbol. And then, yung divisor nating x plus 3 will be outside our division symbol. Now, we proceed. First, i-divide muna natin yung first term ng ating dividend by the first term of our divisor. So, we have x cubed divided by x. We have x squared. Doon natin ilalagay sa taas ng ating dividend. Next step is to multiply yung ating sagot doon sa divisor. We have x squared times x. We have x cubed. And then, x squared times positive 3, we have positive 3x squared. Yan. And then, the next step is to subtract. Huwag kakalimutan mag-change ng sign when we subtract. So, this one, positive x cubed will become negative. And then, positive 3x squared will become negative as well. So, huwag nyo rin kakalimutan, when we have the same sign, parehong positive, and parehong negative, i-add lang natin yon. Okay? So, parehong positive, positive. Pag parehong negative, negative. Pero i-add. But when we have different signs, isa-subtract natin yon. At depende yung sagot natin, yung sign ng sagot natin, kung alin yung mas malaking absolute value dun sa dalawa. Yung sign. Susundan natin yung sign ng mas malaking absolute value. So, we have x cubed minus x cubed. Cancel na yon. And then, negative 3x squared and negative 3x squared, since they have the same sign, so i-add natin yon. And ang sagot natin, negative 6x squared. Yan. And then, the next step is to bring down. So, we have to bring down negative 9x and then positive 14. Tapos, ulit lang tayo ng ating procedure. We will divide. Ito na ngayon yung bago nating dividend. So, we will divide negative 6x squared divided by x. So, sulat natin yung sagot natin doon. So, we have negative 6x na lang. And then, second step is to multiply. So, we have negative 6x times x. We have negative 6x squared. And then, negative 6x times positive 3. We have negative 18x. Yan. Tapos, subtract, change sign. Negative 6x squared and positive 6x squared, cancel na. But in here, we have negative 9x and positive 18x. Magkaiba ng sign, subtract. So, we have positive 9x. And we have to bring down positive 14. And then, we have to divide again. 9x divided by x. Cancel na yung x. We have positive 9 na lang. And then, we will multiply. 9 times x is 9x. And then, 9 times 3 is positive 27. And then change sign. Ayan. So, cancel na. Positive 14 and negative 27 is negative 13. And then, eto na ngayon yung ating remainder. So, negative 13 over, kung ano yung ating divisor, over x plus 3. Yan. So, we are done with our review. We will go back to the main screen to play the game. Ayan. So, let us begin the game. Okay. So, yan. Click natin tong online. Ayan. So, complete the tasks. Complete the task in order. You must show your work neatly on a separate piece of paper. And then, a photo will be required to get credit for your task. Make sure to follow the map. Click the map icon to continue. Yeah, let's go. Ayan. So, here's our map. So, for every location, yan, may mga cafeteria. We have different tasks for each one. We have to complete each task daw in order. So, dapat sunod-sunod. Kasi pag hindi, medyo malilito tayo tapos hindi natin matatapos yung task natin. Say, for example, if we click task 5, ayan. So, medyo nakakalito pagka mag-skip tayo, no? O, so, click lang natin ulit yung icon. Ayan. Ayan, nag-ano na siya. Ayan. Click ulit natin yung icon. Ayan, napunta na ulit tayo sa ating map. And then, kunyari, click naman natin yung task 10. Ayan. So, mapupunta tayo sa task 10, pero hindi natin alam kung paano gagawin yan. So, kailangan we have to complete it in order. Ayan. Click lang natin yung map ulit. Okay? So, let us begin. Ayan. So, here's the map again. Task 1 muna tayo. Hanapin natin kung saan. Ayun. Sa cafeteria. Ayun yung task 1. Ayan. Ano? Magda-download lang tayo. Go. Madali lang to. Ayan. Download complete. Yay. So, ano ba yung ating task 1? Pagkatapos niyan. Ayan. So, we are done downloading the file. So, ang task 1 natin, after nun, is to find the quotient and the remainder using the synthetic division. So, yan na rin yung ating objective. Okay, let's proceed to task 2. So, let's go to task 2. Saan ba banda yun? Doon sa O2. Ayan, dito sa kaliwa. Ayun yung ating task 2. So, ano kayang gagawin? Oh, empty the chute. Ayun. Tapos na. Malinis na. Okay, so we're done with emptying the chute. So, ating map para hindi tayo maligaw. Okay, after emptying the chute, so here's our task 2. Apply the steps in dividing polynomials using the synthetic division. Ayun naman pala. Okay. We proceed with the task 3. So, yan, mula sa O2. Saan tayo papunta? Ayun, sa navigation. Ayan. So, mula sa O2, punta tayo rito sa navigation. So, ano ang ating gagawin? Submits. Ay, ano ba to? Oh. Stabilize steering. Ayan. Shoot. Basic. Ayan. We are done with task 3. So, ayan natin. Okay, so after that, we will arrange the polynomials first in descending power of x and write 0 as coefficient of any missing term. Yan. Familiar na tayo dyan, di ba? Kasi di ba nag-arrange din tayo dun sa long division. So, say for example, divide x cubed minus 9x minus 3x squared plus 27 by x plus 3. So, arrange the dividend in descending order. Yan. Mula muna sa may pinakamataas na exponent, tapos sunod-sunod, x to the third, x to the second, x to the first, hanggang dun sa ating constant. So, pag na-arrange na, kukunin natin yung kanyang coefficient lang. So, ito, coefficient ng x cube is, syempre, di ba, invisible 1. And then, coefficient ng x squared is negative 3. Coefficient ng x lang is negative 9. And then, the constant, which is 27. Now, write the coefficient of the polynomials. Ayan na yun, yung coefficient. The divisor is x plus 3, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin, equate natin yung x plus 3 to 0. So, bali yung positive 3, we add both sides ng negative 3. So, mapupunta na siya sa kanan. So, it will be negative 3 na. Yun yung ating ilalagay dito, parang siyang may kulungan, no? Para siyang may kulungan, tapos ilalagay nyo negative 3. So, sa makatwid, if our divisor is x plus 3, kung positive 3 yon, mag-change ng sign. So, magiging negative 3 na lang siya. Mag-change ng sign. Kasi nga, ini-equate natin sa 0. So, yan. Lagyan natin ng guhit. Huwag kalimutan. Okay, we proceed with the next task. Okay, we're done here. So, we go to task 4. It's in the admin. Ayan. Yan yung ating map. Layo Balik pa ako sa cafeteria. So, yan. So, admin. Sana, ayun. Lapit na. There, ayun. Makain pastor. Yan, swipe card. Ayan, wag mabilis yan. Wag yung bagal. Yan, accepted na. Thank you. Ayan, so after doing that, we have to bring down the first coefficient. So, ano ba yung first coefficient? So, if this is our dividend, ano ba yung first coefficient? Diba, ito nga yung ginawa natin kanina, no? Kinuha natin yung mga coefficients niya. Yan, yung 1, yung negative 3, negative 9, and then positive 27. And then, ito yung negative 3 yung ating sa divisor. So, we have to bring down the first coefficient. Ano ba yung first coefficient? Ayun. So, we bring down lang natin yan. Okay na? Okay, so, we proceed now with the next task. Now, let's do task 5. So, yan ang map sa shields. Ayan, so, pwedeng through cafeteria or pwedeng through storage. Doon tayo sa storage, dumaan. Ayan. Tama ba? Okay. Ayan. Prime shields. Ating task here to prime the shields. Task completed. Ayan. Very good. Very good. Galing talaga na Sunny Rose. So, in task 5 also, we have to multiply negative 3 by 1 and write the result below the negative 3 of the dividend. Kasi dalawa, di ba? Negative 3 yun. The table shows the correct procedure that the crewmate should have. Who among them has the correct procedure? So, isolve muna natin, tapos yan natin kung sino sa kanilang tatlo ang may tamang procedure. So, if this is our solution a while ago, yan, again, inuulit ko, ito yung mga coefficient ng ating dividend, ito yung sa ating divisor, tapos, diba, bring down natin yung first coefficient. So, multiply down natin yung negative 3 and 1. Yan, negative 3 times 1. Tapos kung ano yung sagot, ilalagay daw dun sa ilalim ng negative 3. So, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Ayun, dun natin ilalagay. Okay? So, remember that, Okay. Okay, punta naman tayo sa Task 6. Ayan yung map. So, is in the communication. Ayan, dito lang pala. Lapit lang. Ayun. Okay. Again, mag-download ulit tayo ng file. So, ano ba yung laman ng folder na yun? Ayan. So, ito pala yung nakasulat dun sa folder, task 6. Add -3 and -3. Ayan. Diba ito yung sagot natin kanina? So, i-add lang natin daw yung -3 and -3 kasi same sign. So, -3 and -3 is -6. Diba? Ayan. Basic. Okay. Ano daw? Wala ka dyan. We go to task 7. Saan mo yan? Sa storage. Ayan. Lapit lang. May sinasabi siya. Wala akong radyo. Bahala ka dyan. Ito na yung task 7. Storage. Ayun. Okay. So, fix wiring. Ayan. Basic. Very good. Okay. For task 7, we have to fix the wiring to show the correct answer in multiplying -3 and -6. Ano ba yung sagot when you multiply -3 and -6? Charan! Of course, it's positive 18. Ayan. So, we proceed now with the next task. Ayan. So, we go to task 8. It's in the electrical. Ito yun. So, hanapin natin. Gagawin. Ayun. Ayan. So, divert power to shields. Accept diverted power. Ayan. Very good. So, okay na tayo sa task 8 natin. So, for task 8, we have to multiply -3 and -6 and write the result below -9. Add -9 and 18. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Ayan. So, ito na yung kanina, diba? So, multiply naman natin. Yung -3 naman, tsaka yung -6. When we multiply, lalagay natin yung sagot doon sa ilalim ng -9. So, -3 times -6 is positive 18. Tapos, i-add natin or subtract since magkaiba sila ng sign, yung positive 18 and -9. The answer is positive 9. Okay, so let's go to task 9. It's in the upper engine. Layo Tapos ako kakatakbo nito Ngayayat na ako. Ay, eto na pala. Ayun. Okay. Let's see. Align natin. Align engine output. There you are. Okay, very good. Repeat the process until all columns are filled. So, ayun na. Siyempre, ito na. -3 times 9. Yun naman dalawa yung i-multiply natin. Tapos, siyempre, isusulat natin yung sagot natin sa ilalim ng 27. Ayan. So, -3 times positive 9 is -27. And then, since they have different signs, so, isubtract natin. 27 minus 27. 0 na siya. And so, ayan na. And let us identify the quotient. Ito yung ating coefficient ng ating quotient. Ito naman yung ating remainder. Now, since wala tayong remainder, so wala tayong pinakadulong fraction. But we have etong 9, yan yung ating constant lang. So, we have positive 9. Constant lang yung yung after ng remainder, yung sumunod doon yung constant. Walang kasamang x. And then, yung -6 naman, siya yung may kasamang x to the first power. So, magiging -6x to the first power or wala na, invisible na lang. And then, yung katabi naman ng -6, which is positive 1, yan naman yung may x to the second power. So, positive 1 x to the second power or simply positive x squared na lang. Ayan, task 10 na tayo. We're done with 9. Task 10 na. And it's in the reactor. Okay. Ayan. Memory parang test yung memory ko dito medyo wag akong papalpak. Natatandaan ko pa in fairness. Yan, task complete. Task 10 natin, tapos na tayo mag-memory game. Memory game. Actually, it's to start the reactor. And for our task 10, we have to divide 2x to the 4th plus 3x squared plus x minus 4 by x minus 2. So, let's have first a discussion. Ayan. So, again, divide. Discuss muna tayo. Pick out natin yung mga hindi nakasunod. Balik kayo sa kung ano man task yun. Okay? So, kapag hindi nakasunod, balik kayo sa task para ma-refresh kayo at maintindihan nyo kung paano ulit ang gagawin. Okay? Tapos kick out muna kayo. Imposter kayo. Nagpapanggap kayo na kunyari alam na. So, again, pag di naintindihan, balik sa video. Playback lang natin. Okay? Pag naintindihan na, let us proceed. Okay? So, i-discuss natin. Divide 2x to the 4th minus 3x squared plus x minus 4 by x minus 2. First, of course, we have to write the coefficients of the polynomials. Yung mga number sa unahan ng mga variables hanggang doon sa pinaka-constant na lang. So, susulat muna natin. Dito makikita yon. So, yung x to the 4th muna is 2. Ayan. So, di ba wala tayong x to the 3rd power. So, since x cubed is a missing term, write 0 as its coefficient. So, kagaya ng sabi ko nga kanina, hindi po pwedeng kulang. So, yung para sa x cube, kahit walang x cube, lalagyan natin ng 0 as the coefficient. Ayan. And then, para sa x squared naman, we have negative 3. Ayun. And then, para sa x lang, we have positive 1. Yun, invisible 1 yung sa harapan. And then, yung negative 4 yung ating constant. Ayan. Now, yung nandun sa loob, the divisor is x minus 2. So, we use a is equal to 2. Diba sabi ko nga kanina, mag-change ng sign kung ano man yung sa divisor natin. So, if that is x minus 2, so, ang ilalagay natin dito sa loob ay positive 2. Ayan, huwag kakalimutan yung guhit. And then, we have to perform the synthetic division. Ayan na, diba? Kinopya ko lang. First, bring down natin yung first coefficient. Pagkatapos, we multiply. Ito, multiply natin yung 2 times 2. Tapos, lalagay natin doon sa ilalim yung pangalawa ng coefficient, sa ilalim ng 0. Okay? And then, i-combine natin yung 0 and 4. Siyempre, pareho ng sign add. So, 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay? And then, multiply naman natin. 2 times 4. Anong sagot? Yes, 8. Ilalagay natin sa ilalim ng negative 3. Ayan na, 8. And then, negative 3 and 8, combine ulit. Magkaiba ng sign, subtract. So, we have positive 5. And then, multiply ulit. Multiply, combine, ganun lang yon. So, 2 times 5 naman is 10. Ayan. So, combine. 1 and 10. Pareho ng sign, add. So, 1 plus 10 is 11. And then, multiply ulit. So, 2 times 11 is positive 22. Ayan. Tapos, combine. Magkaiba ng sign, add or subtract? Tama. Subtract. So, 22 minus 4 is 18. Anong sunod? Tingnan nga natin. Ayan na, kinopya ko lang ulit. Identify the quotient and the remainder. Ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Ito ha, identify natin. So, ito yung ating mga quotient. Yung coefficient ng ating mga quotient. Tapos, ito yung ating remainder. So, ang gagawin natin, bale, unahin muna natin yung remainder. So, yung 18 over yung ating divisor. Kapag may remainder tayo. So, fraction yun lagi yung remainder. Kung ano yung natitira dun sa pinakadulo, which is 18, over kung ano yung divisor. Now, kung ang ating remainder ay 0, syempre wala na tayong fraction dyan sa last part. Tapos, sunod-sunod lang natin. Bali, ito yung constant, ito yung x squared, x cubed pataas. Okay? So, after nito, we have yung 11. Yan yung ating constant lang. And then, yung 5, siya yung may x. Di ba, pagkatapos nung constant, yung x na, x lang, x to the first power. So, we have 5x. Ayan. Tapos yung kasunod niya, yun naman yung may x squared. Okay, so we have positive 4x squared. And then yung sumunod naman niya, yun naman yung x cubed. Okay, so positive 2x cubed. So our quotient is 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 11 plus the remainder 18 over x minus 2. Ayun, okay, gets yun na? For task 11. Ayan, balik daw tayo sa storage. Sunod sa baba. Ay, electrical pala to. Sorry na. Naligaw lang. This one. And this one. Okay, so what do we have for task 11? A crewmate is having trouble swiping his card. He swiped 3x cubed minus 16x squared plus 3x plus 12 times within the past 3x plus 2 hours. How many swipes were there per hour? Parang di bagay yung problem sa task, no? Okay, anyway. Ayan. So, divide. Ayan. Again, divide 3x cubed minus 16x squared plus 3x plus 12 by 3x plus 2. Nakaayos na siya. So, sulat na natin yung mga coefficient. Write the coefficients of the polynomial. So, yan muna. Yung x to the third, ang coefficient niya, yung nasa unahan ng variable is 3. And then, yung nasa unahan naman ng x squared is negative 16. Yung nasa unahan naman ng x lang ay 3. And then, yung constant natin ay 12. Ayan. And then, para dun sa yung nasa loob nun, so we have 3x plus 2 yung ating divisor. When we equate to 0, we have to use the addition property. So, yung positive 2, malilipat sa kanan and it will become negative 2. And then, by division property, makakancel na yung 3. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel na yon. We have x is equal to negative 2 over 3. So, yun ang ilalagay natin. Ay, nako, fraction. So, yan natin. Padaliin natin para sa inyo. Of course, we have to perform the synthetic division now. Ayan, ginaya ko lang ulit. So, bring down muna natin yung positive 3, diba? And then, we have to multiply negative 2/3 times 3. So, paano ba yon? Ayan, 3 over 1 yun, diba? Invisible 1. So, cancel na yung 3. Ang matitira na lang is negative 2. Uy, madali lang pala. So, ilagay natin yung negative 2 sa ilalim ng negative 16. Now, since they have the same sign, i-add natin. The answer is negative 18. Diba? Same sign, add. Magkaibang sign, subtract. And then, we have to multiply now. Ito naman, negative 2/3 times negative 18. Ayan. Cancel yung 3 kasi pwedeng ma-divide sila both by 3. So, 3 divided by 3, 1 na lang. And then, negative 18 divided by 3, we have negative 6. And then, multiply lang natin yung negative 2 times negative 6 is, the answer is positive 12. Ayun. Ilalagay natin yung positive 12 sa ilalim naman nung 3. And then, ayan na. 3 plus 12. Same sign. Add. Okay? So, positive. Parehong positive. So, we have 15. And then, multiply naman natin yung negative 2/3 times 15. Ayan, divide by 3. Cancel na yun, 1 na yun. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then, we multiply. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Lagay natin doon sa ilalim ng 12. So, magkaiba ng sign, subtract. 12 minus 10 is positive 2. Yan, ginaya ko na lang ulit. At yung 2 yung ating remainder, 'di ba? So, bali 2 over kung ano yung divisor natin, which is, ayan, 3x plus 2. Tapos, eto naman, yung 15, positive yun kasi. Yung 15, positive 15, siya yung constant lang, yung walang x. And then, yung negative 18, siya yung may x to the first power. And then, yung positive 3, siya naman yung may x to the second power. So, our quotient is 3x squared minus 18x plus 15 plus 2 over 3x plus 2. Yan. Or, pwedeng isulat ng ganon or pwedeng nakaganyan. So, identify the quotient. Pero huwag kakalimutan ilagay yung ating remainder na 2. Okay. Let's do task 12. Last na atang task yun. It's in the medical bay. Ayan. So, go right. And then right ulit. Ayan na. Here. Ayan, there. Ayan. Scanning. Parang MRI, no? Scanning. Ayan, scan complete. Yay! Ayan. Okay, task complete na tayo. So, for task 12, you come across the imposter. Sino kaya dyan? Siyempre, yung red, no? They will let you go if you can answer this question. Did you learn the lesson for today, class? If not yet, go back to task. So, ulitin nyo. If yes, congratulations. So, congratulations that we have completed all the tasks. So, victory! We have completed the tasks. Okay, so thank you so much again for joining me in completing the task in our Among Us game with our lesson, the dividing polynomials with the synthetic division. So, ayan. Kahit natuto na tayo, nag-enjoy pa tayo, nakapaglaro tayo. Because always remember, learning math is easy with Teacher SP. Ay, Gamer SP pala. Okay, thank you so much, class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. See you again next lesson. Bye. Complete.